The Department of Foreign Affairs instructed the country's Consul General in Kuala Lumpur to check on the cases of some Filipino workers being harassed or abused in the ongoing crackdown in Malaysia against illegal workers. Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Sonny Coloma said the Consul General dispatched assistance to national officers to get information on reported cases and raise them to Malaysian authorities. Coloma said Filipino embassy officials in Kuala Lumpur knew of the crackdown after Malaysian authorities announced the start of the roundup on January 21st.
Makikita naman natin dito ang paghahanda at patuloy na pagtulong ng ating embahada. At habang isinasagawa yung announced crackdown, sinisikap pa rin nilang matulungan ng ating mga mamamayan, pinagpapayuhan lahat ng mga manggagawang Pilipino doon na maging handa sa lahat ng pagkakataon, dala-dala nila yung kanilang mga dokumento para pag sila ay tinanong ay may papatunayan nila na legal at dokumentado ang kanilang pagtungo sa bansang Malaysia. Ganun pa man, patuloy yung pakikipag-ugnayan ng ating embahada at Department of Foreign Affairs, tiyakin na hindi magkakaroon ng maltrato laban sa ating mga manggagawa at mamamayan sa Malaysia.